Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So ito yung reading for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo lang siya sa Facebook. And if you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading din naman sa akin. All you have to do is go to TikTok, i-search mo lang si Unipri. Yan, Unipri. Yun yung pinaka-name ng aking TikTok shop. And meron kang bracelet na ma-avail doon na may kasama siyang reading, tarot, astrological, or palm reading. So, ikaw ang bahalang mamili. So, anyway, this is for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Okay? Pasensyahan mo na lang guys, yung gamit kong card ngayon is medyo luma na to, but ito yung nagpaparamdam sa akin na gamitin ko ngayon. And so, gagamitin ko siya. There are messages here na maaaring para sa'yo. Pagpasensya mo na lang talaga, medyo ingat na ingat lang ako i-shuffle kasi talaga medyo mahirap na siyang i-shuffle. Anyway, let's start your reading. This is one of my favorite guys na card kasi isa ito sa pinakaunang card ko. But anyway, you do have the Ace of Pentacles. Please do comment down below guys. Sana appreciate ko yung comment. Sobrang natutuwa ako sa mga nagko-comment. Basta positive. Kasi nag-i-spread tayo ng positive dito sa channel na to. Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, the Star. Oh, wow. You do have here, like maybe, I can see offer. Pwedeng nangyari ito, hindi lang ngayon, pwedeng ng mga nito-nito lang. Like maybe, at least 2 months ago, or 2 to 3 months ago. Yun yung pinaka matagal. Wait lang, inom lang ako guys. Okay. So, kung hindi pa dumadating si offer, pwedeng, wait lang guys, I need to, fix this. Pause ko lang saglit. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, continue natin yung reading. So there's an offer na pwedeng may kinalaman sa money, career, and I see that gusto mo to. You really do like to accept this offer. Actually, ito yung offer na nakikita natin na may potential na pwedeng magbigay ng success for you. I can see you being the Queen of Pentacles. You do like the status. You do have here the sun. So, happiness, this is a positive energy. And nakikita natin na talagang may growth regarding dito. You will be this person na gusto mo yung reality and kung nasaan ka, maybe this is who you really are. So, whatever this offer is, na kung hindi mo pa na-accept, there's the chariot. This is like a go signal para sa'yo na i-accept mo na ito. Kasi maaaring ito na yung magbibigay ng happiness and a lot of success para sa'yo. Okay? For some of you, kung hindi pa dadating si offer, pwedeng paparating na yan. And definitely with the star, malayo ang mararating mo dito sa offer na to. So, this is a very positive start for you. No? Water sign. So, let's move on to the person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Sino tong person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of water sign. Sino tong person nakakonect mo for the sign of water sign, please? You do have here the Ten of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the Fool is here. Okay. Wait lang guys. Okay, pagpasensya mo na from time to time umiinom ako, ha? The Hierophant is at the bottom of the deck and the Lovers. Yan, napakagandang energy. Some of you, nakakita ko ng paglilipat mula dito sa taong ito. This person is, or paglapit, maybe some of you, pwedeng may live in, or maybe a person in the past Um, or maybe present person, yung kakonect mo ngayon, connection, may connection or communication na, or pwedeng in the past, a person in the past, is, I feel like magte-take ng risk itong person na ito. And I feel like this person might be with the Knight of Wands magta-travel towards you, or may paglalapit, may paglipat papunta sa'yo. Maybe both of you is mag-share ng home together, or malapit sa'yo. Maybe malapit sa area mo, or kung nasaan ka. Okay. And I feel like you don't care kung wala dito yung focus mo. But anyway, some of you, the reading is reversal, pero take only what resonates. Okay. So, gustong magkaroon ng level up na connection sa inyong dalawa. What do we have here for the sign of water sign? Sun. Yeah. May naririnig kasi akong something to do with the sun and moon sa natal chart. So, maybe meron kang sun and moon na water sign, which is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pwedeng iyan ay nasa sun and moon mo, or maybe rising sa iyong natal chart. Anyway, let's get more messages for you. Ayan, the Ten of Pentacles. See, a lot of money ang nakikita natin dito. Two of Wands. And the Two of Pentacles. Okay. So, sa nakikita natin dito, you do have plans. You do have something na may kinalaman sa priorities. And I feel like it has something to do with career and money. And nandito talaga yung focus mo dito. You want more and more and more. And I feel like marireceive or ma-achieve mo yung more na yan. Kasi nakita natin na nandun din naman talaga ang focus mo. With the Ten of Pentacles, there's a high chance of success in the near future para sa'yo. Basta, piliin mo yung talagang gusto mo, or yung talagang alam mo ito yung strength mo, talagang ito yung gusto mo sa buhay mo. Kasi if you are just working to earn money, that is not living. And nakikita natin mas mag-grow ka sa something na talagang deep inside, yun talaga yung gusto mo, yun talaga yung calling mo, alam mo yun talaga yung purpose mo. So, kung yung pinagkakitaan mo ngayon is not the thing na nakikita mo, na in the future, yan pa rin yung pinagkakitaan mo. Maybe you're just in a situation or in a career wherein parang nakastay ka lang dyan para may pambayad ka sa ganito, ganyan. It's time for you na mag-take ng risk and maybe accept the offer, or maybe ilagay sa realidad yung mga bagay na parang nasa isip mo lang noon, or maybe try different things na pwedeng mas mag-workout para sa'yo. Na? Kasi nakita tayo na maaari kung nasaan ka ngayon, this is not what you want, this is not who you are, and hindi pa ito yung magbibigay ng security sa'yo until, until the end. So, if you are this person na hindi ka masaya, mag-try ka naman ng iba. So, anyway, ang concentration ng side mo is money and career. With regards to your person, Eight of Swords and the Justice card, okay, someone is going to reveal his or her intentions or emotions towards you. Pero bago yun ay may mga bagay siyang aalisan muna. With the Six of Swords, itong taong ito, aalisan niya ito kasi may plano siya eh. And with the Three of Wands, I feel like gusto niya ng growth, expansion with you. And I feel like with the Eight of Pentacles, this person is already thinking na gawain ito. And I feel like nagkakaroon ng pag-research or like yung person na ito is bago siya mag-take ng risk, meron siya mga nire-research maybe regarding sa area mo, or regarding sa lilipatan or sa pupuntahan, or kung anong magandang gawain, 'di ba? Para mag-workout para sa kanya itong transformation or big change na gagawin nitong taong ito sa buhay niya. But I feel like itong person na ito, mas nangingibabaw sa kanya na mas mag-workout para sa kanya ito. Kasi maaaring kung saan man siya nanggaling, hindi siya doon happy. I can see na nagkaroon ng growth, but then the growth is just temporary. Hindi siya talaga nagtuloy-tuloy. And yeah, marami na siyang naiisip or ideas, or I feel like regarding this research na ginagawa niya or inaalam niya, marami na siyang nalaman regarding dito sa bagay nito. Now, let's move on to the future for you, water sign. Ano ang near future for you, water sign? Yung iba hindi ka aware kasi maybe this person in the past, hindi pwede namang hindi niya sinasabi kung ano yung plano niya. No? Kasi hindi ko nakikita yung connection ninyong dalawa dito. So, yung iba, walang komunikasyon. Kung may komunikasyon, maybe you're focused more on your career, yourself. Ganyan, nandun ang focus mo. And hindi naman sa connection or komunikasyon ninyo ng taong ito. So, in the future, what is waiting for you, water sign? Sa hinaharap, sa near future, ano ang naghihintay para sa'yo? You do have the Six of Cups and the King of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. Clarify the Knight of Pentacles, please. Clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Cups is here. Dalawang Knight. I want to get one more card. What's with the Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles? Okay, masyadong maraming card yung lumabas. Hindi ko ito kukunin, guys. Napakarami. Anong meron dito sa dalawang Knights na ito? Please clarify. There's this King of Swords and the Queen of Wands. Okay. So, tell me more. Para sa side naman ng person na kakonect mo. The Four of Swords is here. Sorry. The Four of Swords, the Magician, kulang pa ng isa. Kuha pa ako isa. Eight of Pentacles. Okay. And at the bottom of the deck, there's this Ace of Cups. And then Page of Wands is here. Someone here is makikipag-connect, communicate sa'yo in the near future. And I feel like with the Six of Cups, this is a person in the past. Meron siyang the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. Actually, yan yung dalawang mabagal na knight, no? So, pwedeng itong pagdating to person na ito is napatagal. No? Dahil maaaring ang concentration mo ay nasa health, nasa system mo, nasa fitness mo. Maybe yung work mo, that is your focus this time. Na pagdating nitong taong ito ay ang sense mo is, or yung buhay mo is you're a quite busy person. Maybe you are the Queen of Wands and the King of Swords. Something to do with your profession, something to do with business, something to do with yourself, na para ma-improve pa kung ano yung mga nasa paligid mo. You're being the boss here actually. Some of you pwedeng nasa mataas na position ka talaga pagdating sa career. Pero nakikita natin na itong situation na ito, pagdating ng person mo total, ikakasaya mo rin eh. This feeling of you na parang, oh, I'm busy pero kinikilig ako. Parang ganang klase ng energy. Because this person is coming to your life, hindi siya okay, in a way na pwedeng yung aalisan niya is hindi okay. Pwedeng umalis siya sa isang sitwasyon na pwedeng problema ang naging dahilan or malaking problema na parang wala siyang choice kundi umalis or iwan with the Seven of Swords. And nakikita natin with the Eight of Pentacles, this person is mas na siya ngayon. Ang kanyang focus is regarding sa mga bagay na talagang gusto niya. This person with the Four of Swords, sabi ko sa'yo, wala siyang magagawa. This Four of Swords, wala siyang magagawa. With the Magician, I feel like the universe is gagawa ng changes sa buhay niya na pwedeng ito na rin yung magiging dahilan para mapalapit siya sa'yo. Okay? Like, kasi maybe in the past, tinry niyang kontrolin yung kanyang sarili, but this time, hindi niya makokontrol na there's this situation sa buhay niya na parang hindi kailangan mo talagang umalis diyan, parang ganun. The universe is telling this person, hindi, aalisin kita diyan kasi hindi ka talaga para diyan. And then you do have the Page of Wands. I can see communication, connection sa inyo nitong person ito. And the Ace of Cups, this is new love. This is new connection, commitment na maaaring mangyari nito sa person ninyo. Person na ito. And with the Eight of Wands, I can see families, friends, and a lot of people na maaaring suportahan kung ano man ang piliin nitong taong ito, which is, I feel like, has something to do with you. Okay? Something to do with you. Dahil this person, ramdam din naman ng ibang tao sa paligid niya kung gaano siya ka-attracted at kung gaano siya nasasaktan kung sakaling hindi matutuloy yung connection ninyo dalawa. Like, these people, no, friends, family, they support kung ano ang pipiliin nitong person na ito, which is nakikita natin na ang pinipili niya ay ang mapalapit sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.